bringing another wonderful day to a close here on the ranch. I'm about to take off on my 4-day stretch where I get to do nothing but ranch work, which will be fabulous. Got a lot of great chores planned, but right now it's time to put everybody to bed. I hear them out there. Let's go check on those birds first to make sure that they are away. I can't imagine any of them would be out at this time of night. They don't generally stay out that late. Hi, everybody. Hello. Well, you're not Kevin up there. Where is Kevin? Kevin's way up there tonight. Way up there. All right, you guys have to get off. Come on, move. You gonna step on my hand? I didn't think so. All right, naked chickens. Everybody sleep well. Enjoy your up tall perch, Kevin. Hello, Mr. Louie. How you doing, big boy? Hi, my Billy. How's my Billy goat? Oh, and my Rosie. My sweet girls. He's just shoving your way in front of me. All right, you four, out of here. Out of the barn. Out of the barn. Out of the barn. Out of the barn with my Hercules. Come on. Go on, we're going out. Attaboy. See? All fine. Okay, give me a minute. You forgot my clothes again. You little dude. That's my Mac. Oh, you got your buck shield off the front. We'll have to get you realigned here. As a matter of fact, why don't we do that right now? I'm being very mean. Okay, buck shield fixed. Do not be such a butt, please. Let's get some grain for everybody here. How are my hungry goats? Ready for some grain. Okay, everybody, you ready to come in? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 hello. How we doing? Is that everybody? Everybody made it in? Okay. Good night, everybody. Blink. It is pretty solidly dark for the walk back to Chicken Manor tonight. Oh, look at that. One more duck egg. I knew there was another one out here somewhere, another few. Glad I at least found one. That means the snake didn't get it. Hello, bunny. Good night.